Okay, sorry to have ended the previous stream all of a sudden. It's just because it's just all because all of a sudden I hear my voice echoing, and I thought it's gonna be affecting the audio of the stream, but that's why I ended so that I can see a way to fix it. But when after I see my own recording, I didn't see any like audio being echoing, which is like, oh, thanks God. But anyway, I think it's happened on stream. I'm not sure like it happens or not in like any other places, but it's just weird. I will find a way to like doing that soon. But again, I end disruptly. It's just I end or like all of a sudden just all because there's no one watching the stream at all. So that's why. All right. Anyway, so we're getting here. So I was here earlierly now, just saying go back to the original string and deleting the text reassigned. Oh, the reassigned one. Oh my goodness. Oops. Okay, so I have to type it again. Hello world string by deleting the text that's reassigned. So this one, right? Okay, there you go. Now you need to create a new char variable at the end of your loop body. Set it as value alphabet new index. So new char. Oh, sorry. And okay, I thought there's someone inside the stream. As there's a chat rate pop up and saying there's one chat. I see no chat in here, but anyway, so continue. All right, a new char, set the new value of the alphabet, new index. Okay, so this is just calling the variable, so let's do nothing with that, but I'm just gonna be a little bit curious. So what is this? So I'm not sure what is it. So new index, so index per shift. So this is gonna be a new index, right? And the variable, so if I print out, so let's say new index, so index per plus shift. So what's my index right here? So index is actually, let's say, so what is my index? This is all my indexes, okay? And new index, meaning index plus shift. So now it should print me out. So basically what I want to do here is to print me out new characters, I guess. So new alphabet, probably. Okay, let's just stay a little bit smart and do it by ourselves instead. Okay, so basically just now we see that we can able to do that by doing this one, right? So if I say print new char, oh sorry, so it should, oh now it's just like, it's like it's not doing something I want to do. So if I add new char right here, which instead of removing this line, can I do that? No, but I'm just gonna move this the print here to the next line, which is this one. Now I got something there, which is so cool. All right, it doesn't ask for that, so that's why. Can I just check? Okay, nice. And now I can print it, right? New char and see the output. Next, print new char and see the output. So just want me to write new char right here. All right, this is the output. This is a mess, but again, if I want to be not a mess, so basically all I have to bring is bring the print back here and this with the new char right there. Clean the output a bit, delete, right? Delete this one. Exactly previous what we did. Return and turn the last print call into print. Whoa, hold on, what? So first print char and then print new char and then print new char. Okay, that just print. Hold on, what? You should change print new char into. Yeah, I changed the print new char. Clean a bit, delete the print char and turn the last print all into the print char. Oh, there's a semicolon there. Forgot to see that. Oh, just like that. Not right. Okay. Why? Oh, there's a char in there. Oh, in the middle. Oh, I didn't see that char. Okay. Hello world. Okay, now it makes sense. So funny. Oh, sorry, I didn't read the instruction. At the moment, the encrypted character is updated in every iteration. It would be better to store the encrypted string into a new variable. Before your for loop, declare a variable called encrypt the text and assign an empty string to this variable. Okay. Encrypted text and assign new variable to this one. Alright. The empty one. Now replace new char with encrypted text. Replace new char with it, also modify everything there. Okay, so encrypted text, and now just gonna copy and paste everything here. Just gonna copy, paste this one and paste this one here. Oh, sorry, no. Did I type something wrong? Encrypted text. Did I type something very, very wrong? You should turn your print code into print char or encrypted text and then encrypted text inside a for loop. Did I do something wrong? Hold on, what? Did I do something wrong? You should turn your print. Okay, replace new char with the encrypted text. What I did, right? I changed new char here, become an encrypted. There's somewhere here as well, right? No, there's nothing here. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Encrypted test. Okay, why is it saying me an error? I don't get it. Char encrypted text. Oh, there's no Oh my god. Man. Oh, okay. Now instead of assigning alphabet new index to encrypted text, assign the current value to the encrypted text plus the alphabet. So assign this current value of encrypted text plus this one. So encrypted text add. Whoa. Okay, why is that? I remember the encrypted text is just empty, right? Empty. Oh, this is a for loop, so that's why it adds itself. So empty the first one, the alphabet of new index. So alphabet new index. So let's say the index is like starting. So where is it? Alphabet 5. So this one will prompt me out an integer. right? And this is stored inside an index. And hello world, let's start with hello world. So hello world is a letter H, right? So because I changed this one to a lowercase, so the uppercase doesn't count anymore, so it's gonna be H lowercase. So which is the index of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So H is a 7 right there. Now, if I add like 3, if I add like, okay, so new index, so index per shift. So new index meaning the index just per shift. So that's adding 3 more. So index, so we start at 0, right? And we start everything at 0. Hold on, what? Hold on. So okay, hold on. So this is gonna be a new index, right? And then new index plus, so this is a 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, which is right here. Now encrypted text, so I start with 0, right? If I add like if I add an alphabet right here, so it's gonna be 0 plus 10 is gonna be 0 plus 10 is equal to 0. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is land at K. So the first one is K, which makes sense now. And now this is a for loop. And so on the second one, it's gonna be looking encrypted text. So encrypted text is a string plus the alphabet at the new index. So the alphabet at the new index is, so this is gone, so the K, the letter K is gonna store inside the encrypted text. Alright, now it makes sense to me now. Alright, so now it's gonna, if I talk about the second one, now it's gonna, second one is gonna find the index per shift. So if we talk about the second one, is which is the letter E. So again, it's gonna be 1, 2, sorry, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is landed E right there. So E is at 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, which is should be landed H, which we see it. So encrypted text already is stored inside a string. Here's a letter K already. If I add an alphabet at the index of the new index, so alphabet at the new index of 7, 7, which is H. So it's gonna be K. Previously it's gonna be K, right? And now it's KH. Now KH now is gonna be stored inside encrypted text. Okay, so the encrypted text now is KH. And the process just keep and continue like that. This makes sense, right? I think it makes sense. Okay. So now, after you obtain the same level of A is equal to A plus B by using addition assignment operator, you can obtain the same effect of A is equal to A plus B, which is like this one, by just assigning like A plus equal to B. The addition assignment operator enables you to add a value to a variable and then assign the result to that variable. Add the value, so add like same A. I'm not really sure what this notation here is really. So this is just basically saying this two notation the same, but doesn't make sense in mathematics. The addition assignment operator enable you to add the value to a variable and then assign the result to that variable. Okay, use the operator, assign it to the encrypted text. So encrypted text now is changed to this. Basically, it's all saying. Okay. So look very ID. All right. So comparison to. Okay, just let me write down, like these are important. So Step. Oh my goodness. Step 4, 39, 40 are very important. So let me just write that down. Alright, cool. Comparison operator allows you to compare two objects based on their values. You can use the comparison operator by placing it between the object you want to compare. They return a Boolean value, namely true or false, depending on the truthfulness of the comparison. Okay. So this is not equal. This is greater than, less than, greater, equal to, less than, equal to. At the beginning of your loop body, print the result of the comparing R with a space. Use the equality operator for that. At the beginning of my loop. Okay, so let's just beginning of my loop. At print the result comparing print char. Comparing this with this. Did your code raise an error before text could run? Please fix it and try again. Print the result of comparing. Okay, what's this? Comparing operator allow you to compare two objects based on their values. You can use a comparison operator, placing it between the object you want to compare. You can use a comparison operator. Is it like, but how is it possible? Like comparing at the beginning of the loop body. At the beginning of the loop body, my god. Okay, the loop body. Print. Alright, print out char comparing with this one. False, 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 false. So char at the beginning with false. Everything is false. So because char is in text lowercase, so char cannot be like. Yo, what? You should compare char with the space using equality operator inside your loop. With a space. Like this. Okay. False. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. This is like not equally. Curly spaces get encrypted as C. To maintain curly spaces get encrypted as C to maintain the original spacing. The plain message will require a condition if statement. This is composed of the if keyword, a condition, and a colon. So if x is not equal to 0, print x. In the example above, the condition if statement is if is not equal to 0, the code print x inside the if statement body runs only when the condition evaluates to true. This is in this example meaning that x is different from 0. At this point, at the top of your loop, replace at the top of your loop, at the top of my loop, which is this. Replace print char with the if statement. So, oh my god, this is at the top of my loop. If statement. Replace print char with an if statement. The condition if statement should evaluate true if the char is an empty space and false otherwise. Inside the if body, print the string spaced. Remember to indent this line. Okay, if char is not equal to 0, right, semicolon, then I want you to print char. Oh no, sorry, I want you to print not char, but print space. Sorry. Space. Nice job. Oh, no. If statement that trigger when char is equal to space. What? Do not use parentheses to enclose the if condition, and remember. Did I use parentheses to enclose the if? No, I did not, right? So you should replace the print char with an if statement that trigger when char is equal to what? Like this? This doesn't look right. If the condition is no, space. Like this. Is that what you want? No? Okay. This is also not what you want. Okay. What? The condition is if statement should evaluate true if char is an empty space. False otherwise if char is an empty space. So if char is an empty space, then I want you to print. If not, nothing. Or otherwise if the if body print space, remember to indent this line. What? Okay, why? I did not use any parentheses. Okay, what is so wrong about this one? What is so wrong about this one? I don't really get it. What is so wrong about this one? So if the char is equal to empty space, then I want you to print the space, right? This is what you want, right? If the statement should evaluate to true, the condition of this if statement should evaluate to true if char is an empty space, and false otherwise. But like, why is this so wrong? Like, why you're not accepting this? Oh my god, I don't really get it. Okay, I don't really get it. Okay. Why is it so wrong right here? Did I mess up the word space? No, I didn't, right? No. Should I just remove the semicolon? Sorry, the single quotation? No, I should not. Okay. Okay, print this one. But if it's not space, no, it should be indented. And now print space. A whole bunch of space going out. No, it's not. Oh my god. Oh my god. There should be a space in there. I made this mistake one time before. This is so painful, like, oh my god. Instead of printing space, use the addition assignment. Okay. So now instead of printing spaced, use a different assignment operator to add space. Currently storing char to the under value Here's addition assignment operator to add to the space. To add the space currently stored in char to the current value encrypted. Huh? Add the space. What does that mean? So now I have a space here. Okay, so use different assignment, additional assignment operator to add the space currently stored in char to the current value of encrypted text. So basically, what should I do? char add equal a space in here. Is that what you want? Oh, okay. Not really. I don't think this is like. You should use operator to add char to the current value. Oh, encrypted. Text. Wait, hold on. What? Because I did not define the encrypted text in the beginning, so it's not accepting this. Not accepting this. You should use upgrade to add char to the current. Because if I declare encrypted text at this point here, this will not define. Oh. Oh. My bad. Okay. Okay. I should have put the word encrypted text. So if there's a space, it's just gonna add me a space right there. I see. The conditions, a conditional statement can also have an else clause. This clause can be added to the end of the if statement to execute alternative code if the statement is false. So if a statement is false or this is true, if x is not equal to 0, then print x. If it's not then equal, if x is actually, so else meaning that negate this previous statement. So if x is not equal to 0, so negating that would be x is equal to 0, then I print x is equal to 0. Then I print the x is equal to 0. As you can see in your output, when the loop iterations reach the space, a space is added to the encrypted string. Then the code outside the if block executes and a C is added to the encrypted string. To fix it else, add an else clause. So as you can see in the input, when the loop iteration reaches space, a space is added to encrypted string, which is true. Then the code outside the if block executes as a C instead of encrypted string. Outside of if block executes as a C instead of encrypted string. I'm not sure what the second phrase here really mean. Execute and a C is added to the encrypted string. So is this saying that the C doesn't belong to the string? W, so let's C is W. Oh, so why is this just, what is C there? Then the code outside of the if blocks executes added under encrypted. We should fix this else. So, and indent all subsequent line except the print. So just like saying this is L, and every single line here need to be indented. Oh, L is semicolon. E. Except for the print. Oh, like that. So now it's turned to a Z. Oh, interesting. The C is the letter C is just added, like it's just appearing there. Funny. Okay. 30-second break. Just let me grab a small snack and then I'll just come back here. Right, actually we're here like for 30 minutes already. Isn't that amazing? Okay, you're amazing and I'm amazing. And we've been here like for 30 minutes already. I'm gonna eat up a small cake and then we continue. Okay, let me grab some water. allowing me to do this while eating apple as well. I'm just all of a sudden I just feel so hungry for some reason. Alright, let's just continue. When the root reaches the letter Z, okay, the sum index plus shift exceed the last. Yeah, that's true. Therefore, it just have to say something. Therefore, the alphabet index is trying to use the invalid index. So we can see the index error right here. Oh, nice. You can notice that the output in the terminal stopped at the space immediately before C, a last print before the arrow is thrown. In this case, the module appeared operator percentage can now be used to return the remainder of the division between the two numbers. For example, if 5 divided by 2, okay, so what's the remainder is 1, right? That's equal to 1, the remainder. Because 5 divided by 2 has a quotient of 2 and the remainder is 1. So round the index shift with parentheses and module the expression with 26, which is the alphabet length. Okay, makes sense. Let's do it. So this one, we want to add a bracket. And then we add a percentage of 26. Everything back to normal. How's that crazy? Guess because the module of everything less than 26 when divided by 26, that's 0. If it's more than 26 when divided, it still get like a remainder, which is not 0 anymore. Anyway, I think that's my bad. Okay, let's have another 5 minutes break. I'm just chewing apple. I don't think I can talk anymore. So let's just let me chew in all the apples and then we'll talk. All right, I'm back. I've probably took a bit longer than needed to. All right. Okay, where am I now? Well, I didn't really read the instruction. Okay. If you wish to incorporate additional characters into the alphabet string, such as digits or special character, you'll find it necessary to manually modify the right upper hand of the module operator. Replace 26 with length of alphabet. This makes sense. So much making sense. Length of alphabet. So length is actually put me out an integer. Length of the alphabet meaning the length of not the alphabet but a name of this variable called alphabet. Okay, so there you go. It makes sense, right? It just completely makes sense. Next, modify your print call to print encrypted text and encrypted and so there's two only, and put it outside the for loop so that the encrypted string is print one time. So now I'm just gonna modify this becoming something like this and put it outside of it, so meaning that I'm gonna have to else here. So there you go. It's right before the print call, add another one and pass plain text. Right before the print call, ask the argument to print. Use the same indentation. Before the print call, add another one and pass plain text. Add another one print and pass it like plain text. And then text. It's not what you want. And plain text. You should print plain text after your loop. After your loop. Okay. I'm sorry, my bad. After my loop. Okay, let me just enter it. Okay, a function is essentially a reusable block of code. You have already met some built-in function like print, find, len. Okay, print, find, and len, which is length. Length is meaning the length of the alphabet, the length of the indexes inside the variable. But you can also define custom function like this. Define custom. So basically, I can make my own function. Is what it means. A function declaration start with the def keyword followed by a function name, a valid variable name, and a pair of parentheses. The declaration ends with a colon. Right after your shift variable, declare a function. After my shift variable, where is it? Okay, right after here, declare a function called seesaw and indent all the following. Give a new function indent all the following lines to give your function new body. Okay, this indent, this probably indent here, and then indent, and oh my god, wrong. Indent, and finally indent here. Is that what you want? Yep. In Python, the scope of variable determines where the variable can be accessed. Variable defined outside function have a global scope. They have access from any part of your code, just exactly like if you remember like couple like probably the previous one I said, the global one. Global meaning that you can access like any way you want. So probably like this declaration most formal usually known as a global, And I think these like here variable are called local because this only used inside the function. If you declare like you want to find like let's say print sorry, not there. I thought it right here. If I say print alphabet, okay, it would just completely say nothing there because again alphabet is declared inside the function, so that's why there's no like nothing there should be. So variable defined outside the function. So now you have a clear definition that the alpha variable that is defined outside the function is called a global, while the variable defined inside the function are called local. To that function cannot be accessed outside of it. To see in this action, try print. Oh, I just used the example. I just wrote the example line there. Print. Okay, so exactly what I just typed just now, alphabet, it should prompt out an error, which is because the variable doesn't exist there. It should be say name error, so name error right there. You should see an error message indicating alphabet is not defined. This is because alphabet is defined. Okay, now it's there. That's that, which is clear. Now fix the error code by removing the line. Try to print the alphabet. By removing the line that try to print alphabet variable outside of one. That's funny. To execute a function need to be called or invoked by appending a pair of parentheses after its name, like function name. At the end of your code, call seesaw function. Pay attention to the indentation. Oh, at the end of your function code. So should I hold on. The star like this. Am I calling the function? I'm not, right? Okay, so at the end of function code. Okay, makes sense. Now you should see the output again, which is correct. Plain text, hello Sarah, incomplete text, which is, yeah. Now you should see the output again. Because I call the function again, so I should be able to see the output again. Although this approach works, it doesn't significantly enhance the code reusability. Repeatedly calling your function will result the same outcome. However, function can be declared with parameters to introduce versatility and customization. Function name, meaning that if I give you parameter 1, parameter 2, meaning I can change number inside it. Okay, so this is basically its own saying. Parameters are variable that you can use inside your function. A function can be declared with different number of parameters. In the example above, parameter 1 and parameter 2 are parameters. Modify your function declare so that it takes two variables called message and offset. Okay, message and offset. After that, you'll see an error appear in the terminal. You'll know how to solve it next step. You should take as the parameter. What? Did I do something wrong? Message offset comma a syntax mistake. I just accidentally added another a closing bracket. All right. Inside your function body, rename text and shift variable to message. So text and shift variable inside your function body, rename the text and shift variable to message. So oh, come on. Okay, inside your body function, the body function which is here to here, renaming text variable to a message. So I think I'm just gonna shift to offset. Whoa, okay. Should I rename this though? Okay, let's change everything. Okay, let's not change that. I'm not sure if I should change it. Oh god, I don't really know if I should change it. Message. Okay. Shift right here to offset. Okay. This is like to message. This is what you want me to do? Oh my god. You should rename shift to offset. Shift to offset. What's the shift? Oh, offset. Okay, now you okay. Currently your code raises typing error because the Caesar function is defined with 2 parameter method and offset. Therefore, it's expected to be 2. There should be 2 arguments right here. Calling Caesar without required argument stop the execution of code. Give method and offset a value by passing it X and shift. Yeah, I should see everything back again. Nice. At the bottom of your code, after the existing text, call your function again. This time, pass text and variable and integer as the argument. So I call the function again. This time, pass text as variable and number 13, right, as the argument. Wait, hold on, what? Is that what you mean? Isn't this one an argument as well? Oh, okay, argument, the letter S. Currently, every single letter is always encrypted with the same letter. Okay, depending on the specific offset. What if the offset were different from each letter? That would be much more difficult to decrypt. This algorithm is referred to the Vinger cipher. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Vinger, like a general, like a ring general. I watch too much WWE. Where the offset of each letter is determined by another text called key. That transforming the tensor cipher to a cipher by removing 2 function calls. Okay, like this. Hold on. Currently, every single letter is always encrypted with the same letter, depending on the specific offset. If the offset were different for each letter, then it would be much difficult to decrypt. The algorithm refers to this cipher to the general cipher, where the offset of each letter is determined by another text. It's called key. Okay, let's learn that. Now modify your function declaration. Change the function name into Vinger and second parameter to key. Okay, second parameter to key. Should I change everything like offset to key? Nope. Okay. Delete your shift variable. Then declare a new variable called custom key. Okay. And assign the value of the string Python to it. Okay. No. Custom key Python. Man. Since your key is shorter than the text that you will have to encrypt, yeah, you need to repeat it, generate a whole encrypted text. You need to repeat it to generate a whole encrypted text. As the beginning of your function body, declare key index variable and set it to 0. the index, set this one to 0. Wait, did I? Oh, just add the space there. Oh no, the index, did I make a mistake at the beginning of your function body? Man, of the function body. Key custom, set this one to 0. At the beginning of your function body, what do you mean? Index, not key custom. And when coding, readability is a key. Comments serve as effective notes explaining the logic behind your code. Prove variable when returning to a project after some time also aid your colleagues in understanding the code. In Python, you can write a comment using this one. Okay. Anytime come after that one won't be executed. Before your if statement, before my if statement, making a comment saying append space to the message. Next, inside the else block, declare a variable called keychar. Keychar, and assign it value, and assign it the value key at the index key, index mod the line key, and assign the value key. Hold on, the value key. Declare variable called keychar, assign it the value of key. I don't remember we have any key. Our key at the index. Oh, basically I think it's gonna be something like key at the index of key index, and I want you to mod with the length of key. Right? Did I declare any key here? No. Oh, key. Ah, my God. Okay. Oh, it should be everything there. Oh, okay. My bad. You need to increase the key index count for the next iteration. To do this, after the line you just add, and in the same code block, use the addition assignment by 1. You need to increase the key index count for the next iteration. To do this, after the line you just add, and in the same code block, use the addition assignment operator to increment key index. By 1. Like this. And then add 1? Is that what you mean? Right. Forgot that. What? Users use operator add 1 to key index inside the else class body. Okay, so it's not here, but like here. Hey, not quite sure what the assignment is about. Key index like this. Is that what you want? Oh, did I? Wait, hold on. Why is there in parentheses here? Those closing parentheses does not match with the open parentheses. So closing. Here, there's a key here. Okay, 30-second break. Nice. All right. Check. Oh, hold on, I did not read. Inside the else clause, write a comment while inside here. Okay, write a comment saying find the right key character to encode. Find the right key character to encode. Nice. The .index method is identical to .find method, but it throws a value error, except it is unusable to find the substring. A value error is built-in exception that is raised when the argument with the right type but inappropriate value is passed to a function. After incrementing key index, declare a variable named offset. Okay. Find the index that key char has in alphabet and assign it to offset used to find the index. Find the index key char has in the alphabet. So does it mean like alphabet? So find the index that is in key char as in alphabet and assign to offset. Is that what you mean? Boom sakalaka. Okay, nice. Above the offset, a variable, create a comment called, okay, so let's make a comment here. Let's say define the offset and the encrypted layer. Okay, at the moment your function prints some strings, but this value cannot be used by other parts of code to perform any action. For that purpose, you need to use a return statement. So, for example, your function prints some string, but this value cannot be used any part of the code to perform any action. For that purpose, you need to return a statement. So you need to write a return followed by a space, and the value at the function should return. Once the return statement is found, the value is returned and the execution of the function stops. Proceeding to the next line of code after function call, in the example above, the for function returned to the string spam. Remove the choose print call from your and return encrypted text. So I want this function to end, and where's my function start from? Okay, start from there. So it should be indented. Return to encrypted encrypted code. Encrypted text. There you go. And now if I want to try, I can print it, right? Call your function passing text and custom key as an argument. My function called dsr and text, and then custom key. As the argument, store the return value function call in a variable called encryption. Okay, there's something wrong here. I guess so. Your code raised an error before you could run prefix and try it. Oh, did I? Oh, the function is called something else. Oh my god. Vinegar. There you go. And now try to print the encryption. Let's see actually output on the terminal. Okay, encryption. Ooh, whoa, nice. Okay. Encryption and decryption are opposite process to your function can do both. Offset. So I'm just look back what I just did, basically. So let's just I want to review back on what we just did just now up until this point here. And yeah. Okay. So we just start with the function here. So this a variable. Alright, and this is defined inside the function. So these are called a local variable, right? And now we have a key index start with the 0 and then encrypted text. Okay. Now the reason why we have the if and else statement here, just because, you know, if and else statement here. Okay, but the custom key is Python. Let's just go one by one. So if and else, is just remove the letter C from the random C appears when we have a space in between. And what else? So append space to the message. So if the character is equal to like space here, then encrypted text just so I increment I told the encrypted text just to add a char. So in this case here, char is actually inside the message, which is basically here. If the char is, if the character here it says equal to space, and I add a space into it. So basically it was what it's saying. Okay, now find the right key character to encode. So find the right key character to encode. So key char is equal to the key, the index of key. So basically this will give me an integer, and no, this part here will give me an integer. The key index, it will be incremented by 1 because this is gonna be in a loop. Okay, and so so 0 will start with 0, increment is 0, so the key 0, so key with the index of 0. Key char is equal to 0. Key index has to be incremented by 1 at this point here. Key char is equal to 0, so the alphabet offset. So offset is equal to, so this offset is, it's just to make sure that, you know, I'm incrementing different you know, just now the shift is now different for the different letters. So alphabet index key char. So index key char is giving me the value. So key char here is like 0 at the beginning here, right? So index 0, the alphabet. So this is like key char 0. So index 0 should be the letter. Hold on. Find char, try to 0. Index 0, 0. Oh my god, I'm just confused now. Oh my god, I'm just confused now. Oh my god, I'm yawning. Sorry. Confused and yawn at the same time. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, I'm just confusing myself a little bit. So offset alphabet T R. Wait, hold on. What does this index give me again? If this index give me an integer, and this is also giving me an integer, and then I length the alphabet, encrypted the alphabet, encrypted text plus alphabet, new index. So new index is 0, encrypted text 0. So why the beginning is W here? Like, I don't really get it. Encrypted text is nothing here, right? I'm not quite sure what this code is doing. Okay, offset is the alphabet, the key char, but the key char here at the beginning is what is the index. Key index is beginning with the 0, which is right here, and then modulate with the length of a key. So modulate the length of key. So key is the custom key with the Python here. Okay, so if it's 0 and I am modulating this, it's gonna has to be 0, right? And then key index plus 1. Now this key index plus 1 doesn't affect any much in here, right? Key index, there's no key index in here. Alphabet index key char. The key char here in previously should be 0. So this has to be 0. The alphabet here has to be a 0, right? And 0. Now this one in alphabet find char. So find char. If char is equal to space, the char here is char in message. The message is text. Okay. So beginning is 0. So char and everything is lowercase. So h char is h. I see h right here. So it's 7. Find char is 7. So 7 plus is still 0. How does it become a W right here? encrypted text is equal to encrypted text plus alphabet of new index. Alphabet new index here is 0. Right? Right? Am I right? Am I wrong or what? Encrypted text is equal to a 0. How's that even equal to W here? I don't get it. And return encrypted text. Is there an explanation to this? A third parameter called direction to your function definition. Also comment out the last 2 lines, avoiding the errors in the console. Direction. Also comment the last 2 lines of the code to avoid errors in the console. This is just let's say print out the function output. Something like that. It's just because I don't have the direction. I add a third parameter to my function here. Let's just say, okay, my god, direction right here, okay? Direction is not defined, good. It's just not defined. Come on. No define. Add a third parameter called direction to your function definition. Also, comment out the last 2 code to avoid errors on console. Oh, I see. This is like as charge comment, and this is like become a comment here. Basically, you want me no. You should turn the last 2 lines in your code into comments. I accidentally add that, so that's why. Hold on, if not today, I will find a way to explain this. All you need to do is multiply the offset by direction in the new index assignment. I hope there is like an explanation to this. Okay, now you can uncomment the last 2 lines, modify your function, pass 1 to the third assignment. Check if the function can decrypt the string back to the plain text. Declare another variable for decryption and assign it to variable called decryption and assign it the function. Oh no. Text encryption custom key and then my -1. And then print the decryption. Hello. Whoa. Now your function, it come back. Look, it come back. Hello, Sarah. Now your function can be used both encrypt and decrypt a message. Clean up the code with a better variable name. Change each occurrence encrypted text into final message. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. Oh, there's one more. Encrypted text, was it? Ah. There you go. Okay. Update your comments to your second comment should say encode/decode in the place of encode. Your third, yes, update your comments to your second comment should say encode/decode in the place of encode. Oh man, can I? Yeah. /decode, and then your third comment encrypt/decrypt. Okay. Function can be called with default arguments. A function argument indicates the value the function should take if the argument is not passed. For example, the function below accepts the 3 arguments, but you can call it passing 2 arguments. The third one will assume the specific value by default. As a default value 1. Okay. Now you can remove the third argument from your function call. Oh my god. Now you can remove the third argument from your first function call. This one. Right now, punctuation, special characters, or digits are not decode correctly. Check this by adding exclamation mark at the end of text string. Like this? No. At the end of text string. Like this. The isAlpha method returns true if all the characters of the string on, which is called are letters. For example, the code below is true. freeCodeCamp if all the characters of the string on which it is called arch letters. Yeah. Okay. Delete and replace it by calling is letter method on char is alpha, like this. A not operator is used to negate the expression. When placed before a truthy value, evaluate to true. It returns false and vice versa. Add the not operator at the beginning of the if condition to check if the character is not alphabet. Not operator is used to negate an expression to place it before a truthy value. A value that is evaluated to true if it return false and vice versa. Add the not operator at the beginning of the if to check, like this. Modify your comment apparent any non-letter character to the message. Oh no, I'm just like following the line, but I'm just following the tutorial, but I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, to be honest. The pass keyword can be used as a placeholder for the future code. It does not have any effect in your code, but it can save you from errors you would get in case of incomplete code. 1 to encrypt and -1 to decrypt is fine, but it may be a little bit cryptic. Create a new function called encrypt that takes message and key parameter and use pass to fill the function body. Like you want me to make it here, like encrypt, like that. Encrypt message key. Call function, so it has to be def. And here say pass. Okay. Oh my god. To be honest, I have really no idea like how the function works. So I probably have to pause a little. Probably after this module, I will just like look into it, and probably the next live stream I will explaining that. Probably I will try to finish this module. I think we're at step 84, which is very close to finish the module. Yeah, 96 is the end, so we'll get there eventually. Okay, nice. 84. So delete the pass keyword and return bin message key. Function doing nothing, so return back to this one. Okay, now define another function called decrypt. Message key, then return this time return to -1. Okay, return message e and then -1. Next, modify your encryption and decryption variable by calling encrypt and decrypt respectively. Okay, this variable call, because I returned this as a function, so this is called the encrypt, and the other one is decrypt. Nice. Oh no. In place of, okay, by calling encrypt and decrypt. Any grammar mistake, any spelling error? No. Encryption variable should have the value encryption should have the value of encrypt. Yeah, right, because I put encrypt as a function, right? I see. Right. X custom key. Right. Really? Custom key. It works. Now you're going to start. What? Really? What? Yeah, it works. That exclamation mark. Change the value of text to the string. Oh my god. Alright, I will look into this thing like probably tomorrow, and yep, I will probably explaining all of this thing tomorrow. Oh, what is this? MRTTAQRH KNSW IHPUGGRUR. Oh, there's a space there. Then this time you're starting from the encrypted string to decrypt. You won't need the encryption variable anymore. Delete the encryption and the print encryption call. Also comment the last two lines. And this time you're starting from encrypted string to decrypt. You won't need to. Also comment the last two lines. Okay, comment this too. Two or more string can be concatenated by using the add operator. For example, hello plus there resulting hello there. For print function, okay, I see where it's going. Use the add operator content a text variable to the string. Okay, text to the string. Encrypt. Encrypted text. Plus text, not text plus. Okay, whatever. print below print call, you just add another print call. Print call and to print key Python by constant string key and the custom key. In Python, there's a way to easily format string. F-string enable you to interpolate value in your string. Interpolation means writing placeholder that will be replaced by specific values when the program runs. For example, you can get the same result in cryptic text plus text with F encrypted text, and then the text inside a what's that? I don't really know what I call again. Something bracket. You need to put F before the quotes to create the F string and write the variable. Qualify using the F string. Basically, all we have to do here is saying, okay, so remove the print here by adding F here, and encrypted text, so remove this one as well, and just adding this parentheses to the text, and that's it, done. No. Wait, hold on. What? I have, I see this. I seeing that. I swear to God, I see that. And now you're still giving me this. Oh, you should modify print so that it can add spring. Okay. Oh, there's no add sign. Man. F. No. So this is gonna be print F of encrypt. Okay. Text. And then this text right here. Like this, right? Is that what you mean? Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so sampling this one, right? And now just this. Okay, removing this, adding this bracket in here. Sorry, this one. Nice. The new line character is a special sequence used to represent a new line. You can write a backslash followed by an as a normal sequence of character in a string, and it will replace by a new line in the output when the program runs. Put a new line character at the beginning of your first print call. At the beginning of my first print call and see the output. New line character at the beginning of your first print call. So let's say, and I don't really want to do that, but let's say backslash. I think I'm gonna do there. No, it's cannot do it. Can't do that. All right, I really don't think I can do this. And see the output. Okay, so let's say like this. Wait, where should I put it? This is a problem is, where should I put it? Is like here? No. So where should I put this? Oh, there. Here. Uncommented the decryption variable and change the value by passing text by change its value by passing text as the argument to decrypt. As the first, so text is the first argument. Uncomment your last print and change it to the F string. Oh my god. F and decrypted text. Decryption. This. Wait a minute, you cannot decrypt anything with the wrong key. Try with happy coding. With that, your cipher project is complete. Oh. 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 Oh, no, 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 no. Whoa. freeCodeCamp is awesome. Whoa, this is cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. Whoa, this is so cool. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. I love this. But I have no idea like what this is doing. Like, I have no idea what this is doing. But this is so cool. Like, it is so cool. Anyway, like, it's just a midnight 12:30 already. I think I'm very sleepy. I probably will do an explanation on this one. Like, I will look this back at the video again, and I would probably do an explanation on what is going on in here. Alright, thank you for watching to this point if you do. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Bye bye.